Make money by playing mobile games and having fun? Can you really do that? The short answer is yes. What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you actually 3 apps that you can download, play games and make money and having fun while you do that. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so today we're going to do a little bit different. We are actually going to download some apps here, we're going to have some fun and we're going to make a few extra bucks. Keep in mind, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. If you're interested in building a real online business, make a passive full-time income online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. But we'll save that for the end of this video because now we want to download some apps here to make some money and have some fun. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, the first app that we're going to have a look at today, we go to a site that is called cashquiz.com. And this is how it looks. So the free quiz apps to earn real rewards, that's exactly what it says here. You play trivia, collect points and redeem them for gift cards, donations and more. You can see that it is available for both App Store and Google Play. So basically, if we have a look at it first on the App Store, here you can see the free quiz app to win real prizes such as Amazon gift cards, PayPal cash and PaySafe vouchers. Test your general knowledge with Cash Quiz in over 40,000 trivia questions. Collect points and redeem them for real rewards. So you can see here, you win actually real prizes every single day. Challenge your friends. You can actually play Cash Quiz not only on your own but also with friends. So that is cool. You can invite a friend of yours to play together with. And it says here, be smarter than the rest. So you win coins every day. Be a winner. Every day Cash Quiz launches the players with the most correct answers. Each day $100 are distributed to the first 3 ranks. So the first place you get actually $50, second $30 and the third place $20. So definitely a lot of options here to get started with Cash Quiz to make some money. And if I have a quick look, it looks pretty similar actually on Google Play here, and it says more or less the exact same thing. So it is about playing the trivia game here. You get free reward for loyal players. So the more you play, the more you earn. Pretty obvious. And has a pretty good reviews from what I see actually, 4.1 here. So this is definitely a good opportunity to get started with, to play around a little bit and have some fun. The next app that we want to have a look at is called Big Cash. From a company called Tech to Cash, and if we have a look at it here, you can see make money, PayPal cash and gift cards. So Big Cash is actually what we are going to search for, and Big Cash is the answer to all the questions. You can earn PayPal cash, is the highest paying cash app that allows you to earn real PayPal money or free gift cards by downloading free apps, games or completing surveys. So you can actually make money with just not only with playing games, but you can also make with completing surveys. Now one of the exciting things about our app is you earn $15 PayPal cash or any gift card for just 2,500 coins, which can be accomplished within few days. So it's not bad actually for something that you're playing and having fun with, to make $15 pretty fast. And you can see here we provide a wide range of free gift cards like Google Play, Amazon gift card, Walmart. So if you don't want it on cash, you can actually choose one of these options. What makes them unique is that they provide the best exchange rates, and they have high paying offers, also guaranteed super fast payouts. So this is really nice. You can see here pretty good reviews. I actually got the money, so far the best app. that I've used that actually pays, plus it's so easy to make a PayPal, and honestly I just use this to get Play Store so I can get coins in Pokemon Go. So it is really a good app. You see, it gets really good reviews. So just type Big Cash, as I said, and you will get straight into this application here. And finally, let's have a look at one third option here today is actually AppNana. Now appnana.com, if you type it here on a desktop, you will see get any paid app for free. Members earned over $10, over 10 million in games gift card credits. So AppNana, get AppNana for your iOS or Android. You earn credits with awesome apps and games you play each time. So just type AppNana and you will find the rest of it here. You can see here get any paid app, redeem Amazon, iTunes, Google Play and Xbox gift cards. You can see here get for Android. Let's go here. AppNana free gift card rewards. The most popular mobile reward app is now available on Android. Because it's not so long ago actually, it was first available for iOS and then later became available for Android here. So you download free apps from Nana offers to earn Nanas, and then you receive Nana points. It's their own system there, and you redeem those points actually for gift cards. You must open the apps after you install them, pretty obvious, so of course you will have to play them also. So appnana.com, available for iOS and Android. Alright, there you have it. 3 mobile game apps that you can download, make money and have fun while you do that. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you probably won't get rich with this kind of apps. So if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related to make money online and work from home. So subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.